Hello! It's the same day, but a different caftan. And welcome to the afternoon. My meat is marinating. We're on the episode 2 of Cook and Dance with Swaino. Today we're making chimichurri with a beef asado, which asado is barbecue in Argentinian. So basically chimichurri is this beautiful vibrant green sauce that can go on anything. It doesn't have to be beef, it can be chicken, fish, vegetables, whatever you like. So one of the ingredients can be thyme. I've got fresh thyme in my garden, so I'm just going to pick that over. What else have I got? I've got definitely garlic, definitely, well, for me, definitely chili. Sometimes you don't have to put in chili at all. Basil and shallots. All these ingredients I'm going to put below in the comments for this video. You can put basil, shallots. I don't have shallots, so I've just used chives and a bit of green onion. Lots of parsley. So if you've got parsley, use at least a cup of parsley in this recipe. Okay. So I'm just going to, basically you just throw it all together. You need olive oil, salt and pepper, no brainer, and you need lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you could use lime juice. If you don't have either of those, you could possibly use vinegar. Might be a bit strange, but you know, this is all about cooking with what you've got at home. So while I'm going to pick these little leaves off the thyme, we're going to go and meet a very good friend of mine all the way from Buenos Aires, Argentina. My good friend Churro, and he is going to teach us how to tango. How amazing! Over to you, Churro. Hola friends, my name is Churro. I am from the Gaucho School of Tango, Buenos Aires, Argentina. I make good friend with Swaino. She asked me to come today to teach you the notorious 8-step Argentine Tango. We are going to have much fun. Our Swaino is the cooking and I am the dancing. Okay, we start with the ladies. Okay, the ladies. The first steps of the Argentine Tango. We are only going to step 1 step forward and to the side. So here we go. Weight on your right foot. 1, 2, and leave it there. You are in suspension, yeah, on your right foot. Let's try that again. 1, 2. Suspension. Okay, now back to Swaino. Fantastic! Did you get steps 1 and 2 with Churro? It's a wonderful dance, and there's not a lot to it, that 8-step Argentinian tango. So let's get our chimichurri together, shall we? We're going to put in our garlic, chili. And this doesn't have to be blended either. It's a mix sauce, right? Just has to be fairly finely chopped, which mine is not. By the way, cheers everyone. It is definitely wine o'clock. How are you going with the homeschooling? I'm going okay. Okay, so juice of a lemon, in that goes, and we'll just go back over to Churro and see how he's going. We're gonna, I think it's steps 3, 4, 5 maybe. Over to you, Churro. Okay ladies, we are now in to the 3rd steps of our Argentine Tango. We have done 1, 2, suspend, 3, 4, and this is the cross, the crosado. 5, Got that? Oh, fantastic. The Asado, I like it. Okay. So just put in the rest of your lemon juice, folks. Voila. Not much to this recipe, but it is absolutely beautiful. How can you go wrong with these sorts of ingredients? You can't go wrong. Okay. Shall we cross back over to Churro? See how he's going with the rest of the steps. Over to you, Churro. Hi, mate. Ladies, putting this all together. 1, 2, suspension. 3, 4, 5. Weight onto this foot. And we continue back. 6. Where are you? 6, 7, 8. Bravo! Well, ladies, that's an awesome 8-step dance. Like, it's really good, isn't it? I do believe. A cup of olive oil into your mix. Okay? Easy peasy. And then we're going to put in salt and pepper. Okay, my friends, now it is for the man time. Okay, men, ready? Okay, so the man, we go back first. The lady is in front of us, remember? So the man, you go back with this foot first. 1, 2, suspension. 3, 4, walking outside of the lady body. 5, she is crossing here now. Then we continue on. 6, 7, 8. Bravo, very easy. Okay, wonderful stuff. My chimichurri has just been sitting for a bit. I'm just going to have a little taste test. Woo! Those chilies have gotten hot. It's beautiful. I love it. Yes. Okay, now I've got my meat that's been marinating for a while, 3 hours or so. And all I'm going to do is just thread onto these very long, large skewers. And then we're going to barbecue. And I hope Churro is feeling hungry, because there's a bit of this, and might make a nice salad to go with it. But hey, what else do you need if you're having asado with chimichurri? Fantastic. Back to you, Churro. Okay, it is time to put it all together. Unfortunately, we have to social distance in today's time. So I will be pretending to dance with the Swaino. She will be 1.5 meters away from me. Sad times, Churro. Oh. Okay, so let us do. You want the lady first. I'll start over here. Okay, I am lady. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Bravo! Ha ha ha! Wonderful, ladies. Wonderful. Well, my friends, what an exciting adventure we have been on today. My name is Churro, and it has been my love of my life to be here today to help you learn the tango, while Swaino has been in the kitchen making the chimichurri. I am so excited. We are going to eat together. 1.5 meters away from each other. That's right. We are going to eat together. We have learned to cook. We've learned the tango from Argentina, and maybe someday I see you again, my friends, my new friends. We may learn another Argentine dance. But in the the meantime, enjoy the chimichurri and the tango. Okay, bye for now. I go see Swaino. Swaino, see you over there. Hey, Swaino, wonderful. Ah, Swaino, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Bravo! Well, it's been another fabulous episode of Cook and Dance with Swaino. I hope you've enjoyed the Argentinian Asado and the sauce that we've made. You've also learnt to dance a tango, which is awesome, thanks to Churro, my beautiful friend. So, cheers everyone. Here's to many more Cook and Dance episodes to come. And over and out. Chimichurri churro.